I got my nerd block. And OMG, it is, well, I had the luckiest day ever. So I'm going to unbox this for you. If I even figure out how. Okay, I think I got this. So I'm going to figure out if I can have this stand up. No, stand up. Okay. So, oh my god, I got my nerd block. I am going to quickly open this up, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna have it lean up against here, see if it will catch me unboxing it. Okay, good. Hey, Cameron. Okay. I'm gonna unbox this. I had the luckiest day ever. So today is St. Patrick's Day. You might get this like days before. That could be a problem. Be right back. Nerd block. Okay, I'm back. I'm thinking this little tape right here is a problem. I don't know, probably not, but oh my god, that's perfect. Probably not, but let's see. Yeah, it was. Okay, so at first you see it says right here, Geek Test Nerd Approved. It's pretty cool. And whoa. Oh my god, that's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna figure out what to show first. Okay, so the first thing I got is this. It's a Guardians of the Galaxy thing. It's the raccoon guy. That's pretty cool. It's a magnet. Oh, it's a magnet. So as you see on the back, it's a cool thing. And the second thing I'm gonna do is, it is another Guardians of the Galaxy thing. It's like a little punching bag thing. You blow it up and you punch it or something. I don't know. So that's pretty cool. The next thing I'm going to be showing you is Money World Do Yourself. Right there, as you can see, Money Worlds. I'm gonna unbox that earlier. And now I got this. Freeze Ice Babies. Pretty cool. I'm gonna send you a separate video of opening them. I also got a cool book. It's called Nerds Do Well. Simpson Peg. A small boy's journey to becoming a big kid. I'll look forward up to reading this. So the next thing I got is just like these little cards or coupons or something. And I also got this. It's a Ghostbusters thing. This is really cool. It's Ghostbusters, as you can see. Jackie and my mom are here. Ghostbusters. I ain't afraid of no spoilers.
What is it?
Nerdbox unboxing video. And the specialist thing of all, I got my shirt.
Who are you showing it to?
I'm making a video for Cameron.
Oh.
No shirt.
A slice of fried gold?
What? Yeah, I don't know. But it's like fried gold.
You sound like you have a cold.
Yeah. And
read that.
Now I'm going to open. I know, I want to read that. So now I'm going to
Ooh,
open
frozen ice cubes and a whoopee cushion.
Yeah. I'm
Great.
going to open this up now.
Are you getting a cold, buddy?
I don't know. So Hopefully that's still recording. I don't know. So here it is. The little Guardians of the Galaxy raccoon guy magnet. Pretty cool.
Where's Daddy and the dog?
It's probably over there. Now I'm going to open up this. See
Your
what.
shirt's way too long. So what? It's the same Penny's
see
Day
where-
shirt.
Wait, oh, oops. Where's the scissors? Okay, whatever.
You can't open it?
No, just scissors.
Hey,
But
bud.
whatever. Okay, thanks. Yeah, so I got a gray cup thingy. I don't know what this is.
There's more.
Wait, yeah, there's more.
They're like
Oh, you
Chinese,
stack them on each
yeah.
other. Okay,
Yeah.
that's pretty cool.
They're like those, you know what I mean.
Yeah. They're like those Chinese things.
Yeah. There should be more in here. Yeah.
And I got another one like
And
this.
there's a smaller one and a smaller one and a smaller
And it
one.
just continues and continues and continues. So I'm just gonna, just gonna put this on. And I'm just gonna then continue. So next thing, did I already open this? No, I did not open this. For a second I thought those were this. Okay. So,
Which color will it turn?
yeah. Okay, it's in.
What do you do? Put it in water?
I don't know. You can
Let's
read
see.
it once I get the stickers on. Okay, so it comes with some stickers, and I am going to open this and see what it has. I think you can.
Oh, no. Which color you get is a surprise. You can draw on foamy. You can paint on foamy.
It's definitely hard to get foamy out, though. That's one thing. Get it? Is there anything on the back? Okay. Yeah, there is stuff on the back. Thank you. Okay. Awesome.
Oh, that's his paint can.
Yeah. Yay! I got monkey foamy or purple foamy. And
You put stickers on them and stuff.
so I can put glasses on them and whatever. So I believe that is all. No, that is not all. Okay, I almost forgot these. It has a whoopee cushion. Okay.
Wow, you should read this on vacation.
Okay. So as I open this up, comes
Ooh,
another thing
yay.
to open up, and it has like.
They're ice cubes. They're fake ice cubes.
Yeah, it has like little spiders in. Wait, no, not spiders. Flies in them. It has flies in them, and it comes with a whoopee cushion. Yay! Everybody likes their old whoopee cushions. I'm probably gonna get. Nothing. None of this probably is gonna be in the video. I don't know how this works. I don't understand this one. Here. And okay, so yeah, that's how they work. There's your little fart for you.
Robert, I think he knows how to use.
Yeah. Well, that is the unboxing